Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Today we are going to discover how to join Microsoft 365 Insider program. So, to join the Microsoft 365 Insider program, you simply have to head up to supportmicrosoft.com and basically click on this website. As you can see, this is URL. Or simply just write the Microsoft 365 Insider program on Google, search, and you will find it. Click on the first link, and this is the page where you're gonna open. So, join the Microsoft uh, Insider program. You can click on this link, but let's discover what you're gonna get. With the Microsoft 365 Insider program, you get access to early builds of new features and updates, giving you an exclusive opportunities to give feedback on our latest innovations. Your feedback goes directly to our product teams at Microsoft to help Microsoft 365 even better for users across the globe. To actually get the access, simply click right on here, and once you get to the space and it is opened, you simply going to click on here. So as you can see, connect with experts, and do whatever you want. Here is the page. This is like some kind of blogs people are leaving, so you could actually be typing them in here. So the Microsoft Insider blog is pretty simple. It's just blogs where you share informations, news, and a couple of things that could be helpful for the world and other Microsoft users. As you can see here, this is a blog by Sheetly. It jumpstarts your presentation with slide starters, for example. Here she's showing you how to get like template that's already within Microsoft already that you could use, and you will have very much cool template that are already has been added by default from Microsoft. So this is just like some tips and keys to actually use, which is a blog by users, not by the team itself. So yeah, this is how you can join it. Thank you guys a lot. See you guys later in the next video.